Hello and welcome. Fees and charges will be clearly explained at the end of this video. In this video, we will provide a step-by-step guide on navigating the Universal Credit Bureau platform. To begin, please register your business and wait for our team's approval. After you receive the approval email, log on with your registered username and password. After you log in, proceed to your company dashboard and create company details as follows. The next steps will be done only once, and they will be saved. Fill in all fields and select your local currency. Add your terms and conditions about your company. And if you are in real estate business, put your rental terms and conditions. Navigate to My Company, then complete the selected menu by entering the information that applies to your business, such as buyers, bank accounts, contractors, items, tenants, properties, property units, expense categories, and receivers. Create user accounts for your team and assign customized roles and permissions to each user, ensuring secure access based on their responsibilities. Now you're all set. You can start managing your sales operations, create and send invoices, track incoming payments, and efficiently manage both prepaid and postpaid customer accounts. With the Rental Contracts module, you can easily manage your properties, rental units, tenants, contracts, and payment collections, all from one centralized platform. Create your own agreement templates once and customize them to match your business. Reuse them to prepare professional agreements in just a few clicks. With the Agreements module, you can create quotations, business agreements, payment requests, and much more. Track your pending payments with complete details, including outstanding amounts, due dates, payment methods, customer records, and much more. With pending reminders, receive timely notifications before upcoming due payments, and keep your customers informed to ensure no payment is missed. In payment requests, your team can stay within the approved quotation and budget limits. The system automatically monitors expenses and prevents payments from exceeding the allocated budget for each section defined in your agreement, giving you better control over project costs. Universal Credit Bureau gives you the ability to report unpaid or overdue payments through its platform, helping businesses maintain transparency and protect themselves by sharing payment history information and warning other businesses about potential payment risks. As a complimentary offer, Universal Credit Bureau provides all new users with a free 1-year subscription to experience the full benefits of the platform. After the first year, if you choose to continue using the system, the subscription fee will be only $300 per year, including unlimited company users. Manage your business operations, team access, and multiple companies without any additional user charges. Visit our site now, Universal Credit Bureau. Your security is your choice.